Hello everyone, today I have an unboxing video for you guys. Today I'll be unboxing the Kamen Rider Ikazuchi SS Figuarts. Okay, so we got the front here. We got the 4 sides, which is just pure brown box area with nothing on it, and then this is the back. It says it in SS Figuarts in Japanese, full language, Kamen Rider Ikazuchi. Okay, so without further ado, let's open this up. Up. Okay, then here we got kind of Ikazuchi. Here we got the front. Okay, then we got the sides. The other side. Okay, and then the back. Okay, now without further ado, let's open this up. Okay, we'll close this up first. Okay, alright, then here we got the manual for the attachment of the body parts for the figure. Okay, we got the back, but it's just an empty sheet, so it only has the front here. Okay, alright, then here we got the figurine. Okay, so we got 2 of the weapons at the side, the figure itself, and changeable hand parts. Okay, let's put this here. The inside there should be nothing else. Yeah, actually there's this is the survey sheet for Tamashi. Kawanan Nanko Asia Tamashi survey. Okay, put this one in here. Okay, let me close this up. Okay, and that's it for this unboxing. Okay, if you do like this video, do give your comments and likes down below, and I will see you on the next one. Goodbye.